tuning in, and you're welcome to my channel where I give you different tips. Today on today's episode, I'm bringing in a snacks, a healthy snacks for your kids, because I know this is holiday period. Our kids always ask for different snack and healthy one, So mother of two, and I'm a lovely wife to a cute husband. And thank you for tuning in to my channel. Thank you. So in today's episode, I'll be making a snacks, and what I'm making today is I'll be using oatmeal for my snacks. I have 1.5 cup of oatmeal, and I have my nuts. I have a nut here, and this one is a nut also, but chopped one. I already chopped it. And I have my banana. I'll be using a banana also, and I'll be using my peanut butter. That's it. That's what I'm going to be using. So stay tuned, see and watch with me. Thank you. Here is my oats. I'll be mixing that. There's a second, the half cup. And here is my peanut, my nuts here, the chopped one. As a oatmeal. Here is my ripe banana, very ripe banana. It's overripe. So this is my banana, already mashed. So here's my peanut butter. This is what I'm using. This is actually optional. It's just for me to get some flavor. So I'm using half spoon. So I'll be using this, my ice cream scoop. Also, I'll be using this. And I have some chocolate here. I'll be putting some chocolate to top it up. Just little, not much. And here is the nut. So hi guys, so I'm back, done, and that's it. So I put it in the oven for another 10 minutes, and that's done. Look at that. Look at that. I don't have to do it.